This 314-piece STARWORK True Mechanic tool set gives home users and working mechanics a genuinely comprehensive selection of sockets, wrenches, and hand tools in one organized kit. The assortment of metric combination wrenches covers the sizes most commonly needed on vehicles and equipment, so you are far less likely to be hunting for a missing size mid-job. Sockets, ratchets, extensions, screwdrivers, pliers, and hex keys are all included, which makes this set versatile enough for automotive work, motorcycle projects, furniture assembly, and general home repairs. The tools are forged from chrome vanadium steel, so they feel solid in the hand and hold up well under regular use without rounding fasteners easily. A sturdy blow-molded case with a built-in handle keeps everything laid out in a logical order, making it easy to see what you have and carry the set between job sites or around the house. For anyone wanting a single mechanic kit that can handle routine maintenance, equipment checks, and unexpected repairs, this STARWORK set delivers a very practical balance of coverage, durability, and portability.